Hey guys, it's Lindsay and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be helping you with the problem Instagram Reels not showing up in a new account. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to want to do is make sure the app is fully up to date. So let's go to the App Store. Once you're here, type Instagram in that top search bar. So to the right of Instagram, it'll either say open or update. If it says open, that means your app is fully up to date. If it says update, that means you need to update your app. The reason we update the app is to get rid of any bugs or lags that may have been part of the last update. So go ahead and update your app. If updating your app does not work, we can go ahead and offload the app. So I'm going to go into settings, and from settings, I'm going to click on general, and in general, I'm going to click on iPhone storage. From here, scroll down to where it says Instagram, and go ahead and click on Instagram. So we have the option to offload the app or delete the app. We're going to go and offload the app. So click on that and then confirm. The reason we offload the app is because it clears the cache. Go ahead and reinstall the app. Alright, and you have successfully offloaded the app. If updating or offloading does not work, you will need to report this problem to Instagram. So let's head into the app. From here, you're going to go to the bottom right-hand corner and click on your profile photo. Once on your profile, you're going to go to the upper right-hand corner and click on those three lines. Once you're here, click on Settings. And from here, go to the bottom of the page and click Help. You're going to pick the first option, Report a Problem. And I'm just going to click Something Isn't Working. And all you have to do is say Instagram Reels not available in my app. And then press Send in the upper right hand corner. And I'm just gonna press Not Now. If updating, offloading, or reporting the problem didn't work, I will recommend you to uninstall and reinstall the app. If that doesn't work, my only other advice is to wait and hang tight because Reels is not released in some countries yet.